wink, grin, smirk, frown, shush, sneeze, vomit, zip your mouth, raise your eyebrow, blow a kiss. Do you know what is this emoji means? Comment down your opinion. It's spitting. Means very small amount of rain. It's drizzling. Means light rain. It's raining. Means regular rain. It's pouring. Means heavy rain. It's bucketing down. Means heavy and intense rain. Yes. Yup. No. Nope. Maybe. We'll see. That's cool. That's dope. That's bad. That sucks. It's a lie. It's bullshit. Can you guess the native English for I'm sorry? Let me know in the comment. A cup of. A cuppa.
Fancy a cuppa?
Very much.
Right, cup of tea.
Isn't it? In it.
Control freak, innit?
Gareth, innit?
Toilet. Loo.
Lou!
Can I use your loo?
I have no money. I'm skint.
Jimmy was skint, huh?
I'm so skint right now.
Suspicious. Dodgy.
What, being dodgy?
Dodgy shoulder, maybe? Over here, over here.
Extension cord. Plug. Bulb. Socket. Switch. Do you know what is this tool called? Let me know in the comment. Fish. I caught a fish yesterday. Fish. I caught 5 fish last week. Fishes. The fishes in the pond are colorful. Sneeze. Fever. Cough. Asthma. Sore throat. Runny nose.